Hey guys, my name is Rohini and I am welcome to my YouTube channel Tech-IOT. Well, I believe life is all about experience. What we experience and how we try to avoid all mistakes. And why I opened this channel to introduce about PG diploma in Internet of Things. All of you may heard about Cdac. Yes, I personally did Cdac course from Cdac Acts and I want to share my experience and my knowledge with all of you. So all of you easy to understand what is structure of this course, what is benefits after doing this course and what I learned from this course. And one strong reason to open this channel is I want to teach you IoT course in free. Oh yes, it's free because I personally feel it is very essential to know everything before taking admission in Cdac. I feel at my time, if same course available on YouTube, it was been very useful to me. Well, that was my bad luck. But I want to give this opportunity to all of you guys. Yes, so you can catch up all knowledge from this course, like all subjects, all languages, all concepts. You will be more clear after watching all my videos. If you feel same, whatever happened with me, it will not happen with you, then please watch all my videos regularly. So I personally feel suggest first you learn all things from my videos and become a IoT developer. So you can take admission in IoT with no doubts. If you want to more details about this course like structure, admission fees, then subscribe my YouTube channel as well as hit the bell icon. I am providing link in description well. In next video, we will learn about all subjects which we will learn in this course. Thank you for watching my video.